Join me as I challenge myself to paint a beautiful summer landscape featuring snowy mountains and serene grasslands, all in just 1 hour. In this video, you'll learn how to create a beautiful summer landscape, capturing the essence of lush grasslands and majestic snowy mountains. Many aspiring artists struggle with blending colors and achieving depth in their landscape paintings, which can be discouraging. Blending colors is one of the most critical aspects of painting, as it can make or break the overall look of your artwork. When done correctly, blending colors can create a sense of harmony and balance, drawing the viewer's eye through the painting. On the other hand, poorly blended colors can lead to a disjointed and unappealing piece. The key to successful color blending lies in understanding the color wheel and how different colors interact with each other. By studying the color wheel, you can learn how to create smooth transitions between colors, eliminating harsh lines and edges. This is particularly important when painting landscapes, where subtle color gradations can make all the difference in capturing the mood and atmosphere of a scene. For instance, a beautiful summer sky can be created by blending blues and whites, while a sunny meadow can be painted by merging yellows and greens. As artists, we've all been there, standing in front of a blank canvas, wondering how to bring our vision to life. The fear of not being able to capture the beauty of nature can be overwhelming, causing many to give up on their artistic pursuits. However, with practice and patience, anyone can learn to blend colors effectively and create stunning landscape paintings. It's all about experimentation and taking risks, trying out new techniques and learning from your mistakes. By embracing the process and having fun, you can overcome your fears and create artwork that truly reflects your unique perspective. The world of landscape painting is incredibly diverse, with countless techniques and styles to explore. From the Impressionist masters to modern-day artists, each has brought their own unique touch to the genre. By studying the works of other artists and learning from their techniques, you can develop your own unique voice and style. Whether you're painting a serene mountain lake or a vibrant summer meadow, the key to success lies in capturing the essence of the scene, rather than simply replicating it. By focusing on the emotional and spiritual aspects of the landscape, you can create artwork that resonates with viewers on a deeper level. We'll cover techniques for blending colors effectively, tips for painting realistic mountains, and how to create vibrant grasslands that pop. When it comes to blending colors, it's essential to start with a solid foundation, using a limited palette to create a sense of harmony and balance. From there, you can gradually build up layers of color, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. This will help prevent muddying the colors and ensure a smooth, even finish. By using glazes and scumbles, you can add depth and dimension to your painting, creating a sense of luminosity and glow. Painting realistic mountains requires a combination of skill and observation. By studying the shapes and forms of mountains, you can learn to capture their rugged beauty and majesty. It's all about paying attention to the play of light and shadow, using chiaroscuro to create a sense of volume and depth. By emphasizing the contrasts between light and dark, you can create a sense of drama and tension, drawing the viewer's eye to the heart of the painting. Whether you're painting a soaring peak or a gentle slope, the key to success lies in capturing the unique character and personality of the mountain. When it comes to creating vibrant grasslands, it's all about capturing the beauty of nature's colors. By using a range of yellows, greens, and earth tones, you can create a sense of warmth and vitality, drawing the viewer's eye to the heart of the painting. It's essential to pay attention to the textures and patterns of the grasses, using thick brushstrokes and impasto to create a sense of movement and energy. By emphasizing the contrast between light and dark, you can create a sense of depth and dimension, inviting the viewer to step into the painting and explore. Blending colors, painting mountains, and creating grasslands are all interconnected aspects of landscape painting. By mastering these techniques, you can create artwork that is not only beautiful but also meaningful and expressive. It's a journey of discovery and exploration, requiring patience, practice, and dedication. As you continue to paint and learn, you'll find that your skills and confidence grow, allowing you to tackle even the most challenging subjects with ease and flair. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the world of landscape painting has something to offer everyone. Watch as we put all the techniques together in a live demonstration, transforming a blank canvas into a breathtaking summer landscape. As we begin, you'll see how a simple sketch can be transformed into a stunning work of art, using a range of techniques and materials. From the initial wash to the final details, every step of the process will be revealed, giving you a unique insight into the creative process. By following along and trying out the techniques for yourself, you can gain a deeper understanding of the art of landscape painting and how to apply it to your own work. The live demonstration will cover everything from color mixing to brushwork, showing you how to create a beautiful summer landscape from scratch. As we paint, you'll see how the different elements of the composition come together, from the majestic mountains to the vibrant grasslands. It's a process of building up layers and textures, using a range of techniques to create a sense of depth and dimension. By paying attention to the play of light and shadow, you can add a sense of drama and tension to your painting, drawing the viewer's eye to the heart of the scene. As the demonstration progresses, you'll see how the painting begins to take shape, evolving from a simple sketch into a stunning work of art. It's a journey of discovery and exploration, as we experiment with different techniques and materials to achieve the desired effect. From the softness of the sky to the roughness of the mountains, every element of the painting will be carefully considered and crafted. By the end of the demonstration, you'll have a complete understanding of how to create a beautiful summer landscape, from start to finish. The final result will be a breathtaking summer landscape, complete with majestic mountains, vibrant grasslands, and a sense of warmth and vitality. As you watch the demonstration, you'll see how the different elements of the composition come together, creating a sense of harmony and balance. It's a testament to the power of art to evoke emotions and inspire the imagination, inviting the viewer to step into the painting and explore. By following along and trying out the techniques for yourself, you can create your own stunning summer landscapes, capturing the beauty and essence of the natural world. In summary, we explored color blending, mountain painting techniques, and grassland details, culminating in a beautiful artwork that you can replicate. The key to success lies in mastering the fundamentals of color and composition, while also experimenting and taking risks to develop your unique style and voice. By practicing regularly and having fun, you can overcome your fears and create artwork that truly reflects your vision and creativity. Remember to always keep learning and growing, pushing yourself to new heights and exploring new techniques and materials. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other painting tutorials and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback and support are invaluable, helping me to create content that is relevant and useful to you. By subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell, you can stay up to date with all my latest videos and tutorials, learning new skills and techniques to take your art to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.